What if I told you that your exhaustion isn't just a sign of aging? It's actually a warning signal from your cells. Specifically, it's about your mitochondria. These tiny engines in your cells are responsible for generating energy. But after age 40, they start to decline. As they slow down, you feel it. You might notice heavier days, increased brain fog, and struggling to maintain motivation. Suddenly, it feels like life is getting harder. Here's the shocking part. Most people don't realize this issue is fixable. In today's video, we're revealing the real cause of midlife fatigue and a doctor-designed solution. Introducing the advanced mitochondrial formula, a powerful blend that can recharge your cellular energy. This formula includes scientifically researched nutrients like CoQ10, PQQ, and D-ribose. These ingredients support energy production, sharper cognition, and better endurance. Imagine waking up with the mental clarity of your 20s and the stamina of your 30s. That's possible when you support your mitochondria instead of relying on caffeine. If you're tired of feeling tired and want to rediscover your energy, stay with me. Let's explore how you can make this transformation happen.